this is like the tortoise and the hare race. You know, the hare doesn't always win. It's not always the Google ad. This is why we actually start with the other strategy first. We want to build your reputation so that when people, and then we do your local SEO, so that, because we want you to show up here on the maps, we want you to show up on the maps with a great reputation. So we work on that first, then we work on your local SEO, and then we run your Google ads.
You know, it's important for Australia here too, because you know, to show up in the three parts, as you said, to show up in the paid ad, to show up in the Google map, and then to show in the organic search. So you're on 3 times. As an agent, when we promote a property, we actually also attract the buyers. So there's not really buyers agents. We attract all the buyers. So to be able to go into a listing presentation here and to be able to say, this is the way that we're going to attract the buyers, you type in this suburb, you know, like real estate agents in Runaway Bay where I am. And if I'm on there 3 times, well, who's going to be attracting the most buyers? You know, who else would you list with? Why would you go with anybody else if I'm on 3 times? You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So it's also a listing tool. It's not only the people that you attract from going to the page, it's also, you know, by telling owners that you are going to be attracting those buyers as well.
Because that's what they want. They're counting on you to be a marketing professional. And how can they count on you to do that if you're not even showing up here on the maps yourself? You know what I'm saying? And
say, yeah, I can market your property, but I can't even appear on Google.
When the owners see that you are going to be the one that's going to adequately market their property, because people are going to see your company, and therefore it's going to be increasing the likelihood that they're going to sell their property through your company, then they're going to go with your company, because they know that the buyers are going to potentially buy their house are going to want to go and work with a company that actually has a great reputation. So it works both ways, like you said.